Lagos, get ready. It is time to spice up the streets like never before. Introducing the biggest Nigeria street food competition where flavor meets finesse. From the fiery suya to the yummy puff puff to abacha and many more, Nigeria has a world of flavors to offer. Calling out all street food enthusiasts and vendors, it is easy to join. As we witness the sizzle, the spice, and the spectacle of the Lagos street food competition. Don't miss out on this showdown. Visit www.sabichef.com now to register and stay updated. Sabi Chef, pesin we sabi.